In this systematic tutorial, I will tell you easy to follow steps of adding Calendly to your website. First of all, open your system editor and you can see these elements like text, headlines. So you have to scroll down and you will see in raw HTML here. So you have to drag and drop it over in this section. And then you have to visit your Calendly account. Here you have to create a new meeting. So you can create new meeting from here on clicking this new event type. I have already created a meeting. So once you have created the meeting, you can see this share button over here. Click on that share button and you will see these three tabs: share a link, add time to email, and there's a third option called add to website. Click on that add to website and you will see three options again. Click on the first one, inline embed, and click on continue. You will see this embed code over here. Click copy code and this will copy the inline embed code for yourself. So you have to again go back to editor and click on this the HTML raw HTML element you have added over here, and you will see this edit code button. This will open the code editor for the raw HTML element we have added. Replace this current HTML with our code that we have copied from Calendly and save your changes. And save changes again by clicking on this button and preview your changes. And you will see that our Calendly has been added. So this is how you can add Calendly to your website.